Get ready for the next big thing in computing. We're diving into the Windows 11 24 H2 update. What's new? The Windows 11 24 H2 update is here, bringing a wave of changes and exciting new features to your desktop experience. This update is more than just bug fixes. It's a significant evolution of Windows 11, focusing on performance, AI integration, and user experience refinements. The update centers around three core themes: deeper AI integration, massive performance gains, and subtle but important user interface tweaks. Let's start with what might be the most anticipated change: the expansion of AI capabilities and the enhancement of Copilot. We're seeing features leveraging AI across the board, from advanced live captions that can translate in real time to AI-powered image editing tools right in the Photos app. Copilot is no longer just a sidebar. It's integrated deeper into the system, allowing it to control more operating system settings and assist with tasks across applications. Next up is performance. Windows 11 24 H2 promises significant under-the-hood optimizations. Users should notice a snappier feel, with faster boot times and more responsive applications, thanks to tweaks in resource management. For laptop users, battery life should also see an improvement due to more efficient power management when the system is under load or idle. While the look and feel of Windows 11 remains consistent, there are several quality-of-life improvements to the user interface. Expect subtle but useful refinements to the taskbar and start menu, enhancing usability without drastically changing the familiar layout. The File Explorer gets new features, including a better search experience and possibly deeper integration with cloud services like OneDrive. Security remains a top priority, with 24H2 bringing enhanced protection against emerging threats. New security measures include improvements to Windows Hello, better protection against malware, and system-wide hardening against attacks. You'll also find more granular control over your data and how applications access system resources, putting you firmly in charge of your privacy. So when can you get your hands on this update, and how do you install it? The 24H2 update is rolling out in a phased manner, ensuring stability as it reaches millions of devices globally. Keep an eye out for notifications. You can check for the update manually through Windows Update in your Settings menu. Make sure your system meets the minimal requirements for a smooth upgrade. That wraps up our look at the Windows 11 24 H2 update. The most impactful changes clearly revolve around AI integration and the significant improvements to system performance and efficiency. What are your thoughts on the new 24H2 update? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.